Hello, you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lucy Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, please don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell on. I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays, but sometimes there is some little bonus videos in between as well, so just make sure you don't miss anything. You don't want to miss anything. I've also got a giveaway coming up very soon as well. If it's already up, I will leave it linked down below, but it'll probably be coming after this video anyways. This video is really exciting because it's kind of doing a little bit of a promo for a local small business that literally launched February this year. So this is the brand COLOURLINE. They are Lashes by COLOURLINE on Instagram. I'll leave their website link down below, and I'll also leave their Instagram link down below as well. I love the fact that these are a Gateshead based company because it's literally just down the road for me, and I just absolutely love that. Like I said, they have literally just launched February this year, and they are a lash and makeup accessories brand, so kind of brushes, blenders, makeup lashes, all that kind of good stuff. And the brushes and lashes are all vegan friendly as well. They have very kindly given me a discount code for you. It's not affiliate or anything like that, it just helps you to get 10% off, so it's the code LUCE10. So if you put that on their website, then you'll get 10% off, which is always just a banging bargain. So they have very kindly sent me across their £20 mystery box. Let's see if it's worth your money. Let's see if it's like a nice way to kind of introduce you to the brand. Let's just get straight into it. I'm really excited. I just love the fact that it's such a local business to me. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. I do want to say though, before I show you what's inside, the 10% discount code doesn't work on the mystery boxes because obviously you're getting an absolute bargain for the price anyways. But it works on everything else on the website. So if there's a certain thing that you've seen in this mystery box that you're like, actually I just really want to try that, then you can use my code LUCE10 to get 10% off. Okay, so first up we have a lash applicator, and she just looks like this. I love that it's got the branding on it, because the one that I've got is just like a cheap one that I don't even know where I got this from. So I like the fact that they've got the brand on it. This is worth $3.99. Obviously it just helps. I've literally just used mine, that's why I've got it to the side there. I've literally just used mine to stick my inner corner down because it was driving me insane. So these come in handy, especially if you have nails like me. Then it comes in handy to get in where your nails can't. So that's worth $3.99. Next up, in like the cutest packaging ever, this is their Peachy beauty blender. So you'll probably seen these on TikTok, because I feel like that's where like everyone knows this kind of shape of beauty blender from. Let's open her up because I've been wanting to feel her, but I didn't want to ruin the little pretty ribbon that was on it until I showed you it. So yeah, it just comes in a little tub, which I actually really like because I would store mine in the tub. Like, ignore how dirty this drawer is, but I store my sponge in a drawer so that it doesn't get dusty. And look at it. Ooh. It feels different too. It feels nicer than my other ones that I bought. I wonder if I can grab one. So this is the COLOURLINE one, and then this is the one that I got off the TikTok brand. So the texture and everything is totally different. I prefer this texture because it feels like a proper sponge, whereas this is such a weird texture. It's like very fuzzy, and I don't know how to explain it, but I mean, you can see from the bounce, like this is just like too squidgy. Like you need to have like, I hate really firm beauty blenders, but this has like a bit of grip in it, and this is just too soft. Like I do not enjoy this, and I don't enjoy the texture, and my nails rip it very easily. I know I've spoke about this before in my other videos, but yeah, that's their little sponge. So that's worth £6. So we go, that's already over £10 worth in the first two items of this mystery box. We also have some love hearts. I don't know how I haven't ate these, and a little personalised branded little chocolate. I think that's really cute as well. And then we also have a little hair clip. This one just says Queen on it. Oh, a bit of full focus. There we go. I couldn't find this on the website, so I'm not too sure how much it's worth or whether you can buy it on the website, but when I had a look, I couldn't seem to find it to let you know how much that's worth. But then we also have 4 pairs of lashes in here. 4, as well as a sponge, as well as an applicator, as well as a couple of sweets, and as well as a hair clip. So we have 3 that are in the same packaging. I love this. I love that it's like green as well. You all know I love green anyways. But this is what the packaging looks like from the front, and then the back looks like this. The first one that we have, these are the style Gloria, and this is just what the Gloria ones look like, and these retail for $5.99 on the website, which, to be fair, these 3 pairs of lashes are just a little bit short than how much it would cost for the full box. So we have Gloria, we also have Audrey, and these just look like this. And then we have these absolutely like next level long ones. These look so fun, and these are in the shade Test, and I feel like a lot of my more kind of crazy makeup patrons are gonna absolutely love these. And I just love the fact, I keep saying it, but I just love that it's a small local business. But yeah, that's what these ones look like. That's Tess. So they're worth, like I said, $5.99, and you get 3 pairs of them in the mystery box. And then last but certainly not least, we have another pair of lashes, and this is like in a different style box, this one. And when I look at these ones are normally $6.99, although there is some offers on the website at the moment where some of them have been reduced to £3.50. I'm not entirely sure if my code will work on things that are discounted, so double check it just in case. But these are the style Arabella, so this is what the box looks like. And then I'm hoping you can kind of see them there. These look gorgeous. I think these are probably my favourite out of the 4. I think probably Arabella, and then these ones are gorgeous, the Audrey ones. They're really, really nice. And then Gloria, and then these ones I'm going to have to do like a crazy, crazy look with, because they are unreal, like so impressive, and they're going to push me out of my comfort zone, which I need to do more often. And then ones are Tess. So yeah, that is everything that you get in their £20 mystery box. So you're getting like 4 pairs of lashes, the sponge, which is worth £6. The lashes are like normally $5.99 or $6.99. You get the hair clip, a couple of sweets, and then also the $3.99 applicator as well. So that's everything for 20 quid. I think that's absolutely amazing. But like I said, if you want to just try certain lashes, or if you want to kind of the brushes that they have on the website. So I'm so excited for this video, but the brushes that they do on the website, it's called like Natalie. Let me just get back up because I was looking at them. So these are the Natalie brush collection. They're normally £20.99, but currently, as I'm filming this video, they are reduced to £13.64. And they look so good. I don't even know if you're going to be able to see. So that's what they look like there. So like I said, they're reduced at the moment to £13.64. And it comes in like a little pouch as well. They look so nice, and I love, like, there's so many different fluffy ones. Like they're all kind of eye brushes. Maybe like 1 or 2. Well, one maybe might be a highlighter brush, but the majority of them are all eye brushes, and I love that. And she also has like some other face brush sets and stuff as well, but they're like the Natalie collection thing are what caught my eye, and I think they look so good. So if you want to support a local business, or if you want to support a small business, then please do check them out. Like I said, I will leave all their links down below for you to go have a little look at and have a nosy. And like I said, you can use the code LUCE10 for 10% off. Not affiliate, not sponsored, not an ad, nothing like that. I was just buzzing when they got in touch with me because it's a local company. And I don't feel like it's harder to find up north for us to have ones that are quite like local. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. So yeah, if you do pick anything up, please pop me an Instagram message. Let me see what you picked up. Are you going to get the brush set? Are you more into the mystery box? Let me know what you think, and what you think of the company as well down below. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you again for them sending this across to me. I love you so much, and I hopefully will see you in another video very, very, very soon. If you're wondering anything about my eye makeup or anything about my makeup that I've gotten today, by the way, it is the W7 Tokyo collection review that I did. So it has everything in there. The lip combination I've got on, the eyes, everything is in that video. So I'll leave that link down below if you want to know exactly what I've got on my face. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Love you so much. Peace out.